What is up, guys? It's Mike here, and today we're looking at another exclusive truck from the Monster Jam Superstore, and it's none other than, for the third time, we are seeing the Stunt truck. Alright, so for the third time, I think in under a year, we are seeing now a third exclusive stunt truck, casting truck, whatever you guys want to call it, tooling, from the Monster Jam Superstore. So this truck went on sale, or was supposed to go on sale, January 1st of 2021. However, because of the virus and everything going on in the world, it ended up getting pushed back to about January 14th, January 20th, somewhere in that ballpark, and I recently just got mine today as of February 8th. So, I was lucky enough to order 4 of them. This one, however, has the worst card, so we're going to open it, as I always do. However, this is a pretty unique truck. A lot of people in the community did not like this. I was very interested to see what was going to get released because Spin Master, or Monster Jam, whatever you want to call it, never released something on January 1st, or at least the first 2 years with Spin Master. So it was kind of interesting to see what it would be, and it was this, and a lot of people didn't really get this truck or didn't really care for it because we already got the same casting and everything, and the truck was basically painted and like a Christmas feeling towards it, or happy holiday feeling towards it, and I thought that was really cool. That was a really cool looking truck, that was a really cool looking paint scheme on it, and that one actually looked really mean, really nice for the time of the year, everything like that. And I thought that one looked a lot better than the first stunt truck that we saw. So when this one got released, this one was only released, or was going to be released, about a month, not even, after that one. And at first, I was kind of like, why would you release 2 of the same trucks back to back? But I kind of get it, we don't see this casting a lot. I am going to start to lean that this casting is only a Superstore exclusive truck, which is nice to have something like that. And I think we should have something like that too, because that just goes to show that you can't get this truck at monster truck events, you can't get this truck at, Walmart, wherever it may be. So that's kind of cool as well. So I think if we can keep this casting exclusive to the Monster Jam Superstore, and as long as they make trucks with cool paint schemes, I think that's pretty cool. So moving on to this truck itself, so with this being the inverse paint scheme on this truck, everything you see that is black was gray on the other one, everything that's gray was black on the other one. So very interesting. I think the truck looks a lot better this way. And one cool thing on the back of this too, I believe it was on the Mohawk truck, maybe? I can't remember, but now they're doing the 3D printing or 3D rendering of the truck on that form, so I think that's pretty cool. And then you got the little paragraph here. Now, I'm not too sure if that paragraph is the same that was on the first stunt truck, but if you guys want to read it, you can just read the back of the card or pause the video, because I'm not going to try to read all that right now. Nonetheless, I think it's cool. I like the Monster Jam logo, I like everything about this, and I really do like this casting. I think this is one of the castings that's very underrated, and, I really do believe this is something that should be special to the Superstore as an exclusive. And I think this truck was only produced with 3,000 qualities, but I'm not too sure, because it does say limited edition on the sides here, but I'm not too sure if the truck was produced massively or if there's only about 3,000 of them, which I think they should lower the number just to raise the rare value of it and to basically just have people collect it more, I guess. But anyway, let's crack this thing open and take a closer look. So here it is, the Inverse Limited Edition Stunt Truck. So as you guys do know, these trucks all come with a blacked out ramp. It doesn't come with a poster, it doesn't come with a wristband, nothing like that. I think that's pretty unique in itself. However, I don't save these. I don't know if anyone does. But these are always kind of cool how they're different compared to the ones that actually come with trucks that are like in stores. But anyway, moving on to this truck, I like the way this thing looks. It looks kind of mean. I like how it has that like stealthy look to it. This truck does have a chrome chassis with a black roll cage, and it does have black rims with a dark gray bead lock, which I really like a gunmetal bead lock. Looks very cool. And the truck did have yellow headlights on the original one. This one looks like it just has headlights turned off, if you will. And nonetheless, I really like it. It's got the Monster Jam logo, or monsterjam.com on the back. Pretty cool looking. I like it. I really do like this truck. It looks very stealthy, very awesome. I don't know if any other truck has B-lock and tires like that, so that's kind of interesting. And another interesting point on it is I can't remember if the first truck had the white BKT lettering on the tires. This one does not, and I kind of like it with it off, to be honest. I think if they threw the white BKT on it, it would kind of look weird with the whole color combination here, because there's no white on the truck. If they made it a silver BKT lettering, I think that would look kind of cool. And the interesting fact with this truck was it was basically released January 20th, somewhere in that ballpark, and usually there's a couple month gap between the next exclusive truck from the Superstore. However, the next one's due out March 1st, and we don't know what that is yet as of February 9th, but the only thing we do know is it glows in the dark, it's green, and it might be the SUV casting, and it has slime on the sides of it, maybe. So I can't wait to see what it is. Maybe it's a different take on a stunt truck. That'd be kind of funny. And just like the other ones, this truck does have a 3D printed Monster Jam logo on the hood and the sides of the truck as well. But I really do like the shiny black on the sides. I think that is the selling point on it. I think it like pulls the whole look together. It does have a dark tinted windshield. Overall, I think it's nice. I think this one should have been the main one, I think. I think this looks a lot better, honestly. Now, the thing that's going to hurt the sales on this truck is I know it came out right when the Happy Holidays or Christmas truck came out, and honestly, I don't agree with them releasing this truck, at least this truck, right after that one. To me, it seems kind of weird because you're getting two of the trucks. Maybe if they release this one near, you know, I don't know, maybe later on, like April, like some random time, instead of doing it, you know, January 20th or whatever it was. But for me personally, I like this truck. I can't say if it's going to be one of the trucks of the year, obviously, because by the time we get the case or mix 16, it's going to be like June or July. But I think it looks nice. I really do. And I'm not just like saying that because it's an exclusive truck. I really do like the black on it, the black shiny glossy paint. And also on the roof, actually that's just solid. Alright, I thought that might be glossy too, but it's not. I don't know. It's a decent looking truck. I don't know. I mean, it's something you don't expect, but looking at it and having it, it's something I'm proud to have in my collection. So, I don't know, I don't want to say mixed feelings. I just think the truck was overhyped. Everyone was thinking it was going to be like a Happy New Year truck or like a brand new casting. And then once we finally got to see the reveal of it, and once it finally went on sale, I think a lot of people were just kind of like, oh, hey, we just got that truck, you know, so whatever, screw it. But, I don't know, I like it. I think it looks cool. I'm happy that it's here, nonetheless. But, yeah, cool looking truck. I really love the black. The black is definitely the selling point on it. And as for the inverse trucks go, if this is the last one ever made or released, I think that's pretty cool to have it as an exclusive truck. And then basically an exclusive truck you can't get anywhere else. So that's pretty cool as well. And this one's going to have a limited production too, so it will also hold its value once it all sells out. So, yeah. Anyway, with that being said, let me know if you guys got this truck. I know a lot of people didn't in the community, but let me know nonetheless, and I will catch you guys in another video very shortly. Don't forget to like, don't forget to subscribe, and yeah, see you guys very soon.